Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. As a surprise addition to the Google Pixel 7 series, we will release a Google Pixel 7 Ultra soon. With the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro arriving in October, we thought the Pixel announcement was over. It appears there is a new version that is even more powerful on the way. Pros remain limited for now, but the current shape of things is that Google's alleged Ultra phone will improve on the Pixel 7 Pro's camera at least as well as a couple of internal components. It may also either keep the same screen or be upgraded, but the jury is still out on that. It's not clear if or when Google will reveal a Pixel 7 Ultra model. But if it's coming, here's what's been tipped so far. To start with, is the Pixel 7 Ultra actually exists according to Android open source project code. There does seem to be the third Pixel 7 model alongside the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. But now then Google's typical October Pixel launch date has already been is gone. We are kind of stumped as to when Google would reveal an Ultra model. And given year's mobile's two biggest events are made by Google in October and Google I/O in May. It is usually more software focused, but Google has announced products plenty of times, including the Google Pixel 6s. Perhaps it will be in May then that Google decided to spark up new interest in the Pixel 7 after over 6 months of sale by introducing an Ultra model alongside a budget Pixel 7 model. Equally, rubber could always hold a completely separate element to give a new Ultra Pixel room to breathe. Since we hear Google's also planning to launch a Pixel foldable phone next year, and the company has already confirmed that its Pixel tablet will launch at some point next year. Perhaps we will see another hardware-heavy event around spring where the Pixel 7 Ultra could make its entrance. There are conflicting rumors about the display quality on the Pixel 7 Ultra. One source claims will have an HD Plus resolution, which would be excessive for a supposedly ultra-grade phone. Meanwhile, a different source claims the screen could be QHD Plus, the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 6 Pro for it, which makes more sense. What both sources agree is that the Pixel Ultra screen will have a 120Hz display, the benchmark refresh rate for premium Android devices right now. There is no mention of whether the display is flat or curved, but we would assume there to be curved edges if it follows the Pixel 7 Pro's example. The display would likely house the regular and Pro Pixel 7 improved fingerprint sensor for security, although Google would presumably bring its face to unlock option too. Face Unlock is not fully secure unlike Face ID on iPhones, but it does add some extra security while ensuring important stuff like payments is protected by the more secure fingerprint scanner. Google already has a strong camera setup on the Pixel 7 Pro, but an Ultra model would likely require an even better array of sensors to be taken seriously. The rumors so far suggest Google will be making at least one change, but they disagree on exactly how one. Rumors claim Google will swap out the 50 megapixel main camera for a new one inch sensor. Huge sensor size for a smartphone only seen on devices like the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. The other rumor says the new camera will instead be a Sony IMX712, a currently unreleased camera sensor of unknown size and resolution. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra offers a 108 megapixel camera, and the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra tipped for a 200 megapixel camera. Google could photography jobs upgrade to the Pixel 7 Pro's 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 48 megapixel 5x telephoto camera, or 10.8 megapixel front camera could also help differentiate the Ultra model from the Pro. Pixel 7 Pro device tipped for some sort of major camera upgrade. Chances are it will be able to compete with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, if not the Galaxy S23 Ultra and iPhone 15 Ultra tip for next year at least. On photography, Google could do with improving its battery and processing power tech if it really wants to take on Samsung and Apple. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. What do you guys expect from the new Google Pixel Ultra smartphone? Let us know what you think down in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out for now.